Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the derivation of range of a projectile motion. What is the range of a projectile motion? Range is equal to u square sine 2 theta upon g. This derivation we are going to learn. So please watch the video till the end. You will understand each and every concepts. See, consider a particle which is projected at an angle theta with the x-axis. So the velocity u, okay, velocity, what velocity? U velocity, yes or no? So that u can be resolved into two parts right now. One is what? Ux, that is equal to u cos theta, and other is what? Uy, this is ux, and this is what? Uy, yes or no? So uy is what? U sin theta. This is from the resolution of vector. So I want the range of the projectile motion, yes or no? Range of the projectile. This is the horizontal distance covered by the particle during the projectile motion is called as what? Range of the projectile motion. See, this range which is achieved, okay, is due to the which component of velocity? Horizontal component of velocity. Yes or no? So you can apply, okay, second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. What is second equation of motion? That is AC is equal to ut plus half at square. Am I clear? Okay. What is the distance traveled? That is equal to range. Okay. Which velocity? It is covered due to which velocity? Initial velocity is what? Ux. That see the time taken by the particle to cover this horizontal range is called as what? A time of flight. This is what? Capital T. What is the capital T we learned? Just now we discussed the derivation, or you should know time of flight is equal to 2u sin theta upon g. This is the formula of time of flight. Time of flight is the time duration for which the particle is in air, okay, or the time taken by the particle to cover this horizontal distance is called as what? A time of flight. Okay, now we have assumed that a horizontal component of velocity, okay, ux is constant. Okay, ux is what? A constant. As ux is constant, so acceleration along the x-axis is what? 0. So this we can write a half into ax into time of flight. Okay, so as ax is 0, so this term will 0 right now. So once again you write r is equal to ux is what? U cos theta. What is the time of flight? 2u sin theta upon g plus half into 0 into t square. So 0 into anything is what? 0 only. Okay, so we can cancel this part. Okay, so what we are getting actually, range is equal to what? U cos theta into 2u sin theta by g. So we can write u into u become what? U square. Yes or no? Correct or not? So we can write u square into 2 times of sin theta into cos theta. 2 times of sin theta into cos theta upon g. Okay, in trigonometry we have learnt one formula, sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? That is twice of sin theta into cos theta. So this we can write 2 times of sin theta into cos theta is what? Sin 2 theta. Yes or no? So we can write r is equal to what? U square sin 2 theta upon g. This is the derivation for range of a projectile motion. Okay, one more thing you should remember, at what angle the projectile should be projected so that the range is maximum. Yes or no? So to get the range maximum, you can see what is our maximum value of sin 2 theta, that is 1. Yes or no? So for what value of sin it is 1, that is what? Sin 90 degree. Am I clear? So 2 theta is what? 90 degree. So theta is equal to what? 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. Okay, so whenever particle is projected at 45 degree, so it will reach to the maximum range. Okay, one more thing you should remember, when the particle is projected, okay, at an angle theta, okay, right, theta 1 is what? Theta 1. Okay, when particle is projected okay, at theta or is projected at theta or 90 minus theta or 90 minus theta, the range is same. For these two angles, the range is what? Same. Am I clear? How? See, what is the range formula? Range is equal to u square sin 2 theta. by g. Okay, so or we can write let's say theta is 30 degree. Okay, so you can see here u square sine 2 into theta. I have considered theta is what, 60 degree suppose, so sine 60. Okay, by g. Sine 120, how much will get? Sine 120 is what, sine 90 plus 30. Okay na, so it is what, cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Am I clear? Okay, so well, that will get the range, or 90 minus 30 you do, you will get 90 minus 60, you will get how much? Okay, for the theta is what, 90 minus 60, that is equal to 30 degrees. So range will be equal to what? U square sine 2 into 30, that is sine 60 degree. Yes or no? So sine 60 is how much? U square sine 60 upon g. Sine 60 is also what? Root 3 by 2. So it will be going to be same. Okay, times of this. So when the particle is projected at theta, 90 minus theta, the range is going to be same. I hope you understood these concepts. Thank you.